the boy in the plastic bubble. Well, not really. It may look like a porthole, but it's actually a washing machine door. $200 later, we've got a Whirlpool Duet front loader washer hinge.
Yeah, Brent's Repair Shop. Okay, we popped the hinge off. Now we're gonna pop the laundry room. It's all of about 3 feet wide. Never hurts to watch a couple of demo YouTube videos. Balance is everything in life. With no core, it's a bit of a challenge. But we make the best of every situation that comes our way here at Motocross Save My Life headquarters. And that is the prettiest camera girl I've ever seen in my life. How are you?
I'm great.
What's your name? Einstein tells us that the universe loves speed. Everything is happening simultaneously. Andy getting a little too deep here, right? That's all right. All right, we've got it back in a user-friendly position. We're gonna take screw number 3, drop it in this little eye hole right here. And according to everything that I've watched and can see by the visibility of this door hinge, it has to be pressed quite hard because there are no threads on that new hinge. All right, we got some of these holes lined up now. Kind of like putting a sprocket on or anything round like that, opposite sides tighten first. So you get the idea. We'll be back when we go
In the
to
3-foot laundry room, as you can see, there's not a lot of room here, but the good news is we've got the boy in the plastic bubble, or the bubble hood, back on. And that's not the right screwdriver. This is Torx. So the hinge actually has a hanger on it to take the weight off the door, which is awesome. A little bit on each end. Good old Mastercraft tools, no magnets on them, but hey, make it work for you, friends. Whatever that is, whatever is in your budget, the wheelhouse of your happiness zone. The sky keeps on rolling, and the wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Who sings that song? Journey. It's quite a journey we've been on, Gisela. Thank you very much for everything. It's been such a wonderful ride.
It certainly has. And you're my favorite handyman.
Favorite handyman. If they aren't selling you Fram oil filters, just what are they giving you? Well, YouTube told me it's going to be 20 minutes. Part was $200, but we saved the money on the labor. I'm 3 hours in at $450 an hour, so what does that work out to? You owe me $1,350 there, homeowner.
Take it out and trade, sir.
Talk to my agent. Okay. All tightened up here. 20 foot-pounds of PSI. Now you know I'm lying. The only foot-pounds it gets from me is a good swift kick. Well, that's it. I'm super proud of myself. I challenged myself, got the job done. $200 part. The labor was free. Happy wife, happy life. Back in our nautical-themed laundry room. Life is gold. Mr. Airmail is out.
Mrs. Airmail is in her laundry room and very grateful and thankful for her handyman. Fix it.
Life is gold.